In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change chat text size in Cursor AI in just a few quick steps. If the text in your editor or chat feels too small or too large, this is an easy way to make Cursor more comfortable to use and much easier to read. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips and AI tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon to open your settings. This is where you can customize different parts of the interface to fit your workflow. After the settings menu opens, click on Appearance. This section controls how Cursor looks, including text styling and layout options. Now scroll down until you find the Typography column. This is the area where Cursor lets you adjust font-related settings. Once you're in the typography section, look for code font size. This is the setting that controls how large or small the text appears. If you want to make the text bigger, click the plus button. If you want to make it smaller, click the minus button. As you make these changes, Cursor will automatically update the font size for you. You do not need to press a save button or confirm anything manually because Cursor saves the setting automatically, so you can simply adjust it until it feels right for your screen and your eyes. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've changed the chat text size in Cursor AI and made the interface easier to read. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Cursor AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.